Hello everyone, welcome back to Exiton. Today we have the Vivo Y11D in this elegant dark blue color. Let's quickly unbox it and see what Vivo is offering in the budget segment. Inside the box, first we get the Vivo Y11D itself. Along with that, Vivo includes a transparent clear case, documentation, SIM ejector tool, USB Type-C cable, and yes, importantly, a 44-watt flash charge adapter is included in the box. Now that is a big advantage, because many budget phones cut the charger from the package. This phone also comes with a huge 6,500 mAh battery, so the combination of large battery and 44W charging looks very practical for daily users. Talking about the design, this dark blue color looks clean and premium under light. It has a simple camera island, a comfortable flat-style frame, and the clear case gives you protection without hiding the phone's color. 043 to 054. On the front, we get a large 6.74-inch HD plus LCD display with up to a 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling through apps and social media should feel smoother than a regular 60Hz budget phone. Performance is handled by the Unisoc T7225 octa-core chipset. This particular variant has 4GB physical RAM plus up to 4GB extended RAM, with 128GB internal storage. It is suitable for normal daily use, WhatsApp, YouTube, browsing, online classes, and casual gaming. For cameras, Vivo offers a 50MP main rear camera with AI processing, plus a 5MP front camera. In good daylight, expect clear social media-ready photos, but don't expect flagship-level low-light performance. One important note, specifications can differ by region, including India, so always check your local retail unit. Like, subscribe, and follow Exiton for the full review.
Tuh, bisa storage aku compare